Hello viewers, today is 20th of August, the year 2022. We are revising KCPE second trial, standard 8, year 2021 mathematics. We are revising the second part of this paper because we have already did the first part. We are revising the second part of this paper. This paper consists 50 questions. This paper have got 50 questions. Now we did the first part. We are now doing the second part. Then we are going to proceed with the third part another day. But today we are going to. But before we continue, there is a little bit of correction on question number 7. Question number 7 states that what is the square of 2 and a quarter? What is the square of 2 and a quarter? Question number 7. For this question, I would like to apologize to my viewers that the other day I solved square root instead of square, or I solved square root instead of square. So to find the square of 2 and a quarter, we say that 2 and a quarter, the square root will be, because 2 and a quarter is equivalent to 9 over 4, which is 9 over 4, because you multiply 4 times 2 plus 1 is 9 over 4, because 4 is the denominator. This will be 9 over 4. Then 9 over 4, it's square. You square 9 over 4. If you square 9 over 4, it will give you 9 squared is 81, because it's 9 times 9, it's 81. Then over 4 squared is 16. So write 16 here. Then this is an improper fraction. 81 over 16 is an improper fraction. We are going to change this to a mixed fraction. Then we are going to divide this by 16 1, by 16 5. 5 remainder 1 over 16. This will be 5 and 1 over 16. And 1 over 16. And this is the answer. This is the answer. What is the square of? This is the answer for the question. This is the answer for the question. And 5, 1 over 16 is in option D. 5, 1 over 16 is in option D. This was a correction. If you go back to my first video on KCPE second trial standard 8 2021, you will notice that I did square root. I found square root instead of square. Now the square, if you square the number, you get 5 1 over 16, which is in option D. If you continue, we are going to, because I completed this part with all these questions, so our second part will begin from question number 18. Question number 18. Question number 18. Question number 18 states that a trader had a ton of salt. He repacked the salt in equal number of 200 grams and 300 grams packets. How many packets did he get altogether? A trader had a ton of salt. He repacked the salt in equal number of 200 gram and 300 gram packets. How many packets did he get altogether? Now, for this question, we are going to convert tons to grams. But before you convert tons to grams, you should know how many tons are there in it. How many kilograms are there in 1 ton? Then we say for the question number 18, this is question number 18, we say, I'm going to say that question number 18, 1 ton is equivalent to 1000 kilograms, and also 1 kilogram is equivalent to 1000 grams. Therefore 1 ton is equivalent to 1 million grams. 1 ton is equivalent to 1 million grams. Now, the total number of grams from the question is 200 and 300. Therefore, you are going to add 200 grams plus 300 grams, which gives us 500 grams. So we are good now to get the number of packets. You have to divide the number of grams from 1 million grams. To get the number of packets, you have to divide the number of grams given from 1 ton, which is equivalent to 1 million grams. Therefore, number of packets will be 1 million grams divided by 500 grams, the total number of grams given to get the number of packets. Therefore, grams go. This will give us, if we cancel that, by 5 by 5 2 0 0 0. This is 2000. Therefore we notice that the number of packets were 2000 packets. The number of packets were 2000 packets. If you divide, you get 2000 packets. That is question number 18. Let us see if there is 2000 in our answers. Yes, 2000 is in D. Option D gives us 2000, and that is our answer. 2000 packets. Now we are continuing to question number. Let us proceed to question number. We are proceeding to question number 19. Question number 19 states that Onyango earns a basic salary of 40,000 per month, plus a commission of 6% on the sale of goods above 50,000. In 1 month, he sold a goods worth 300,000. How much altogether did he earn? Okay, this is a commercial arithmetics. Onyango earns a basic salary of 40,000 per month plus a commission of 6% on the sales of goods above 50,000. In a month, he sold goods worth 300,000. How much altogether did he earn that month? Okay, this is question number 19. Now we say solution. Now for this, we have seen that we are going to begin with we have been given his basic salary. Basic salary is 40,000. His basic salary is 40,000. Then his commission is 5%, or 5%, not 50. 5%. His basic salary is 5%. No, his commission is 5%. His basic salary is 40,000. His commission is 5%. Now, the question is, how much altogether did he earn? Now, his earning will be basic salary plus commission, the amount in commission. His commission is 5%. This is 5%. This is 5%. Now, because the question is how altogether did he earn, the total amount he earned, his basic salary plus 5%. Now, if the basic salary is 40,000, but we have not been given the 40%, now we are going to look at 40%. We are going to look at 5%, or not 5%, but 6%. This is 6%, sorry. This is 6%. We have been given it's 6%. Therefore, this will be 40,000 plus, because the 6% on sales above 50,000, and he sold 300,000, so we are going to look at 6% of 300,000, because he was to be given a commission of 6% if we sold goods above 50,000, but we have been told that he sold 300,000 goods worth 300,000, so definitely he got the 6%. Therefore, this will be 40,000 plus 6% of 300,000. If we divide these zeros, we cancel the zeros. Then we say 6 times 300. This is 1,800. Therefore, we say 40,000 plus 1,800. This will give us. This is not really. This is not 300. It's 3,000. 6 times 3,000 is 18,000. This is 18,000 because I have cancelled the zeros. 6% out of 100. The 2 zeros are cancelled. The remainder 3 they have 1, 2, 3. This is 18,000. 18,000 plus 40,000 gives us 58. This will give us 58,000. This gives us 58,000. So for the question, this is the answer. This is the answer for the question. 58,000. 58,000. The amount he earned altogether was 58,000. Was 58,000. Now let us see 58,000. 58,000 is in option C. 58,000 is in option C. 58,000 is the important thing here is you have to know the basic salary, the commission, then you add what is in the commission plus the basic salary, which gives us 58,000, which is in option C. It is in option C. Option C is 58,000. We are going to question number 20. Question number 20. Question number 20 is a question related to speed. This question related to speed. Question number 20 states that a bus left town Q for town R, a distance of 240 kilometers. It was driven at a speed of 80 kilometers per hour. If it arrived at 2:40 a.m., at what time did it depart from Q? Okay, we have to tackle it this way. Okay. This question, distance, we are given distance to be 240 kilometers, and speed to be 80 kilometers per hour. Then note that we are finding time in hours used by the bus to travel under the given distance and the given time here. Therefore, time is given by distance over speed. Therefore, which is equivalent to 240 kilometers over 80 kilometers per hour. This will give us, if we divide 80 by 80 is 1, and if we go 240 by 80 is 3. Therefore, this will give us 3 hours because the kilometers will cancel. This will give us 3 hours. Then we are going to change. For the question, because we have 3 hours, that is not the answer. That is not the answer. We are going to change. Now we are going to change to 2:40 a.m. to 24-hour time system. To 24-hour time system. Then subtract 3 hours from it, which will be, this will be, if we change to 40 a.m. to 24-hour system, that will give us 1440 hours. Give us 1440 hours. This is equivalent to 2:40 a.m. We have changed it to 12-hour system to 24-hour system. This is the 24-hour system. Then 24-hour. Then we convert 3 hours to 24 hours. This will be 03 hours to 24 hours. If we change, this is in 12 hours system to 24 hours, then we subtract. We are going to subtract 03 hours to get the time now. If we subtract this, will give us 0, 4, 1, 1. And this will be, because we have converted it into 24 hours, it will be 11:40 p.m. 11:40 p.m. 11:40 p.m. and this option is in option A. It is in option A. I would like to follow my working. The option is in option A, and you will notice that because this time was given. This time was given in a 12-hour system, and we have converted it, and our answer is still in a 12-hour system. This is the answer for question number 20. For my viewers, I would like to leave your comments. I would like my viewers to leave comments. Leave your comments wherever is possible. Leave your comments. I would like to know if you are pleased with my working, because I know perhaps I have been messed, but for these questions are relatively common to me. But it's better that you leave your comments. It's better that you leave your comments. Oh, now we are going to question number 21. Question number 21. This question is on capacity and volume. It's on capacity and volume. Question number 21 states that a rectangular tank measures 3 meters long, 2.8 meters wide, and 2.5 meters high. What is the capacity of the tank in liters? Okay, let us draw the tank. This is 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 3 meters long, 2.5 meters wide, no, 2.5 meters, the height is 2.5 meters, and the width, this is the width, this is the width, is 2.8 meters. Okay, now the capacity of the tank. First of all, we have to know the volume. The tank is in form of a cuboid, hence the volume of a cuboid is given by length times width times height. Therefore, this would give us 2.8 times 2.5 times 3. Remember, all are in meters. This will give us, if you multiply this, will give us to a total of 21. Not only 21 meters, but in 21 meter cubic, because this is volume. Okay, I should remind you, this is 21 meter cubic. From the knowledge of mathematics, the relationship between volume and capacity is given by 1 liter is equivalent to 1000 centimeter cubic. Therefore, we change 21 meter cubic to centimeter cubic. Therefore, we say 21 meter cubic to centimeter cubic. This will give us 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeters. Therefore, 21 meters will be This is 21 meters times 100 centimeters over 1 meter. The meters go. This will be 2,100 centimeters cubic. 2,000 centimeters cubic. Therefore, 21 meter cubic is equivalent to 2,100 centimeter cubic. Now, our question is, remind you, we are still in question number 21. So, because we have reached this step, 21 centimeter cubic, now we say 1 liter is the same as 1,000 centimeter cubic. What about 2,100 centimeter cubic? This one will give us, we are going to cross multiply 2,100 centimeter cubic multiplied by 1 liter over 1,000 centimeter cubic. The centimeter cubic goes. This will give us 21, because 21 is in liters. Our answer, this is the final answer from our working. This is the final answer. Our final answer is 21. 21 is in liters. Let us see if we have such an answer. 21 liters, question number 21. 21 liters is in option number A. But it shouldn't be 21 liters because there is 10. But according to the question, there is no, the answer should be 2.1. But because we have not been given such an answer, we are going to consider option A to be the answer. The working is correct, but the answers we have not been given, because if you divide, if you cancel the 2 zeros on both the denominator and the numerator, we are going to have 21 over 10. 21 over 10 is the same as 2.1, which is not given. Then we consider 21 liters to be our answer. So the correct answer for the question is A, option A. The correct answer for the question is option A. So we proceed to question number 23. We are going to proceed to question number 23. Let us proceed to question number 23. Question number 23 states that the median height of 8 numbers is 7. 7 of the numbers are 11, 4, 9, 4, 5, 8, and 10. What is the 8th number? The median of 8 numbers is 7. The 7 of the numbers are 11, 4, 9, 4, 5, 8, and 10. What is the 8th number? Okay, this is question number 23. Write it now. Solution. We say solution. Solution. Write the numbers now. Write these numbers in ascending order. Write the numbers in ascending order, because they are not in ascending order now. Write 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now if 7 becomes the middle number, it becomes, if 7 becomes the middle number, it becomes 4, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Hence, the eighth number is 11. Hence, the eighth number is 11. And because from the question, the median of the median of 8 numbers is 7. 7 of the numbers is 11. 4 and 4, 9, 4, 5, 8, and 10. What is the eighth number? Now, if you count 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we'll consider that the eighth number is 11, which is not given. The eighth number 11 is not given, but the eighth number is 11. The eighth number is 11. We continue to question number 24. Question number 24 states that the price of laptop decreased by 15,000 to 25,000. What was the percentage decrease? Okay, if it decreased by 15,000 to 25,000, it means that the original price was 15,000 plus 25,000. Yes, from the statement. Therefore, 15,000 plus 25,000. This will give us 40,000. This will give us 40,000. Now, percentage decrease. Percentage decrease is given by the decrease of original times 100. The decrease of original times 100. Therefore, the decrease is 50,000 of original, which is 40,000, which is 40,000 times 100 times 100. This will give us, if we cancel the zeros, by 4, 1, by 4, it's 40,000, sorry, this is 40,000. If you cancel the zeros here, will be, this zeros goes, then we are going to cancel the other 2 zeros. This goes, then we are dividing 150 by 4, 1 by 4, 37.5, 37.5, this is 37.5. Therefore, the percentage decrease will be 37.5%. This is the answer, 37.5. And it is in option D. 37.5 is in option D. 37.5 is the same as 37.5 is in option D. Question number 24. Question number 24. Then I would like to remind my viewers that whoever wishes to contact me, you can just, if you wish to contact me, please my number is 0707 526372. Begin by +254 if you are outside our borders. You can contact me in Telegrams, WhatsApp, Hangouts, Email via this number 0707 526372 by beginning +254. You can search my videos. You can search my videos in YouTube by searching Mr. Kengo. Mr. Kengo is MR, then QENGO. Search Mr. Kengo to check my videos in YouTube by searching Mr. Kengo. Mr. Kengo. Mr. Kengo is written Mr. MRQENGO. This is my name. Search my videos in YouTube. Search my videos in YouTube. This is my latest YouTube account. This is my latest YouTube account. You can contact me via this number or search my free online videos through my YouTube account. My name is Mr. Kengo. We are going to question number. We are proceeding to question number. We are going to proceed to question number 25. We are going to proceed to question number 25. We are going to proceed to question number 25. We are going to proceed to question number 25. Question number 25 says thus: Wahondo performed as follows in the test: Maths 80%, English 75%, Kiswahili 85%, Science 70%, Social Studies and Religious Education 90%. If he represented his scores in a pie chart, how many more degrees would represent Social Studies and Religious Education than Maths? Okay, now we consider that this is question number 25. Question number 25. This is question number Social Studies and Religious Education. He got Social Studies and Religious Education. He got 90%. While Mathematics he got 80%. So for this question, we are going to subtract 80% from 90%. Therefore, 90% minus 80%. This is 10%. This is 10%. So the required answer was 10%. The required answer was 10%, and it was not given. It was not given. Now they gave 9%, but the required answer was 10%. Then the required answer was, you subtract 90, you subtract 80 from 90, and you get 10%. We are going to question number 26. Question number 26 states that the volume of a cylinder the volume of a cylindrical tin is 201 centimeter cubic and the height is 14 centimeter. What is the diameter? Take pi to be 22/7. Okay, this is very easy. We say solution here. Say volume is given by, volume of a cylinder is given by pi r squared. Therefore, volume where pi is given as 22/7, r is the radius, so you square the radius, but we have been given the volume to be 2816 centimeters cubic, which is the same as pi pi r squared, where is 22 over 7 times r. R is not given, r squared, but r is not given. No, volume of cylinder is pi r squared h, sorry. Volume of cylinder is pi r squared h, not pi r squared. Pi r squared is the formula to find area of a circle, but this is the volume of the cylinder is given by pi r squared h. I mean, if this is the cylinder, this is height, this is diameter, and this half of this is r. That is what I mean. Then the volume is given by pi r squared h. But in the question, the volume is given as 2816 centimeter cubic, which is the equivalent to the pi r squared h. We have been given the volume, which is this. There we say 2816 centimeter cubic is the same as 22 over 7 times r squared times height. The height is given 14. The height is given 14 centimeters. Then we are going to multiply by 14 here. Then we are going to divide to get the radius, because what is not given is the radius, by 7.1 by 7.2. This will give us 2816 centimeter cubic. It's equivalent to 22r squared times 2. 22r squared times 2. This will give us 28. This will give us 2816 centimeter cubic is the same as 44 r squared. I mean 44 because we multiply 22 by 2. This is 44 r squared. Then we say we are going to divide both sides by 44 to get. We are going to divide both sides by 44, so that we remain with r by 44 1 by 44 1. If we divide 44 by 2816 is given by, this is by 44 1, and by 44 this is 64. This is 64. This is 64. If you divide 2816 by 44 is 64. Then we say 64 is the same as r squared. This is this. Then we are going to, for this, 64 is the same as 64 is equal to r squared. For this, to get r, you have to square root both sides. The square root of 64 and square root of r squared, because the square goes by the square root. We are going to say, and we should know the square root of 64 is 8. 8 is the same as r, because if you square both sides, the square root of 64 is 8, and r, if you square r, it will cancel. The square root side will cancel. Therefore, our r is 8. Now we have considered that our r is 8. This is what was not given, r. And if you, from the question, the volume was given and the height was given, but the radius was not given. But what is the diameter? The question is in diameter. We have r. Remember, the diameter is always twice the r, because we have demonstrated from the diagram here. If this is the r, then if you add 2r, or if you multiply 2r, or If you square 2r, you get the diameter. Now if r is 8, not if you square, but if you add 2r, you get the diameter. Hence, if r is 8, know that the diameter, because r is a half the diameter, r is a half of the diameter. Therefore, our diameter will be 8 plus 8, which is 16. Our diameter is 8 plus 8, which is 16. Let us see 16 in the answer. If you have such an answer, I think question number 26, 16 is in option D. Question number 26, 16 is in option D. This is our working. We have arrived. 16 is in option D. 16 is in option D. R is 8. Diameter, this is diameter, is 16 is in option D. And that is the question, was asked. Diameter is 16, is in option B. Now we proceed to question number. We are proceeding to question number 27. Let us proceed to question number 27. Let us proceed to question number 27. Question number 27 states that, what is the value of x in the inequality? What is the value of x in the inequality? Now the inequality is 5x minus 20 is greater than 3x plus 8. Okay, 5x minus 20 is greater than 3x plus 8. So we say solution. Solution if 5x minus 3x is greater than sorry, 5x minus 20 is greater than 3x plus 8. Here we are going to collect the like terms, because we have 3x, and here the other side we have 3x. Therefore, say 5x minus 3x and 20, and the other side will be, this 20 is minus 20, and here is plus 8. Therefore, here we have got 5x, so it's 5x minus 3, because it crosses the sign. It will be 5x minus 3x, 20 plus 20, because it's minus 20, 20 is negative, minus 20, it will be 20 plus 8. This will be not 5 but 2x, because we have 5x minus 3x is 2x is greater than 28. 2x is greater than 28. For this question, we are going to divide both by 2. If you divide by 2 to get what is x, by 2, 1 by 2, 1. Then by 2, 1 by 2, 14. You say that x is greater than 14. X is greater than 14. Now, let us see if we have such an answer. X is greater than 14. This was the inequality, and this is the working. Let us see if we have such an answer. X is greater than 14. Yes, question number 27. The working is here, and A is the answer. X is greater than 14. This is the answer A. It is an option A. This is the answer. This is the answer. It is also important to remind our viewers. It is also to remind our viewers that if you need, wherever you are in the globe, wherever you are in the globe, whether in America, Africa, Asia, or Australia, please, you can leave your comment or just direct contact me on my number 0707526372 by beginning +254 if you are outside our borders, or just view my videos, download and share my videos in YouTube by searching Mr. Mr. Kengo. Mr. You are going to write Mr, then QENGO. This is my YouTube title name. If you go and search the YouTube, Mr. Kengo, this is my YouTube title name, and you download my videos. Watch the videos freely. If you download, you can watch them offline. Download and watch them offline. This is free. We are offering free online tutorials. Now we are looking at question number. We are in question number 33. We are going to question number 33. Note that we are not skipping the other questions. We already did it in our first part of this paper. We did all this question in our first part, so we are going to skip them. We are in question number 33. We skip the questions because we did them earlier. Question number 33 states that the figure below shows a stack of cubes. The stack was painted all over. How many cubes had paint on two faces only? How many cubes had two faces? Two faces only. Okay, solution. Once you see cube plus, from what this is what I did. Once you see every cube, this cube, if you see a cube, add the other cube on the other side. Once you see a cube, add the unseen cube on the other side. That why I have written that why I have written 1 plus 1. So it means that if you see this cube, there is another cube on the other side. This cube, there is another cube on the other side, and this cube, there is another cube on the other side. Now, for my calculations, the total number of the cube will be 1 plus 1, 1 cube, this side and the other side of the cube. Therefore, 1 plus 1 times 3, which will give us, if these are 2, these are 2 it will be 1 plus 1 times 3, 1 plus 1, this cube, there is the other one, the other side, and this the other side, and this one the other side. So 1 2 3 2 1 times 1 plus 1 times 3, this is 1 2 3. It's 1 plus 1. It means this side and the other side, this side and the other side, and this side. So 1 2 3, 1 plus 1 times 3, and then you say 1 plus 1 times 3. This will give us 2 times 3, times 3 into brackets plus there are 4, other 4 plus 6. There are other 4 here plus 6. 4, I mean 4, this 1, 2, 3, 4, because there are other that are painted 1, 2, 3, 4. These are painted on only in one side. This 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6. The 6 ones are this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 6 plus 6, which will give us, this one will be 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 6 is 16. These are 16 bricks. These are 16 bricks. These are 16 bricks. These are 16 bricks. I think the answer is not given, but I need your comment here. I need your comment, because this is not mathematics. It's a matter of logic and the way you can see them. This is not, I may be giving the wrong answer, but through my calculation, I think the answer is 16. But I may have been given the wrong answer. I am not that perfect. I am not that perfect. Now we are going back to question number 31. Let us see question number 31, because there are some of my students, they have asked me about this question. This question seems to be common. Minkyo sold some of his properties to 3 people as follows. Kavunga got a quarter, while Meso got 1/6, while Kyoko received a half of the remainder. What fraction of the property did he sell? Okay. Oh, this question. First of all, say solution. Solution. Then you say, we have to know for this question, we should know the total number of the figure, because this is in fraction. The whole fraction. The whole fraction, for us to get the whole fraction, we have to add a quarter plus 1/6 plus a half. Now the least common multiple of 4, 6, and 2 is 12. Therefore we say a quarter plus 1/6 plus a half will give us, this is 12. If you divide 12 by 4 is 3, plus 12 divided by 6 is 2, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. This will give us 5/11. This will give us 11/12. And this is the fraction. This is the fraction, and this is the final answer. What is the fraction of property did he sell? This is the fraction. This is the fraction. This is the fraction. No. Miko sold a property. Good. What fraction of what did he sold? It's 11. He sold 11 out of 12. He sold 11 out of 12, and this is the answer. It means that the owner remained with 1/12 of his property. It means that the owner remained with 1/12. and 11 over 12 is in option A. This is the answer. The working is here. This is our solution. This is the answer for question number 31. This is the answer for question number 31. The working is here. For question number 31, this is the answer. Now we are going to question number 32. Question number 32. Question number 32 states that question number 32 states that question number 32 states that which of the following sets of measurements will form a right angle triangle? Okay. The answer is in option A. The answer is in option A. Simple because if you a right angle triangle from letter 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 12 centimeter, and here say 50, 25 centimeter, and here 8 centimeter. This will be by using, please, for this question, use a ruler and a protractor. Use a ruler and protractor to confirm my answer. Use a ruler and protractor to confirm my answer. So I have got a call here. Use a ruler and a protractor to confirm my answer, because I have to rush somewhere. I have to rush, but before I go, before I depart, I have to finish up with question number 29. Let us see question number 29. Question number 29 states that we are going to question number 29 now. Before I leave, I am rushing somewhere. How many groups of hundreds are there in the total value of digits in the thousand position in the small 6-digit number formed using the digit 4, 3, 0, 5, 7, and 1? Okay. Step 1. The question is, how many groups of 100 are there in the total value of the digits in the thousand position in the smallest 6-digit number formed using the digit 4, 3, 0, 5, 7, 1. This question is very easy. This question may be it is somehow easy. Step 1, arrange the digits given from the smallest to the largest from the smallest to the largest. Now, the digits are given as 4, 3, 0, 5, 7, 1. If we rearrange as from smallest to the largest, they will be, if you rearrange them, these digits will be 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7. If you are rearranged, they are going to be 0, 1, 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7. Then step 2. The number of groups of hundreds of the digits in the thousand position is given by the number of groups of the hundreds in the digits in the 1000 position is given by multiplying each of these figures by 10 from right hand side to the left hand side. You are going to multiply by 10. If you multiply this by 10 by 10 by 10, by 10, now this becomes because this is ones, tens and hundreds, this will be in this case the value of 4, 5, 7 are represented by 3 zeros. The values of 4, 5, 7 are represented by 3 zeros. Hence the number will be 0, 1, 3, 0, 0, 0. The number will be 0, 1, 3, 0, 0. Finally, the value of the digit in the 1000 position will be the value of the digits in the 1000 position will be the value of the digits in the 1000 position will be, this will be ones, this is tens, this is hundreds, and this is thousands. This is thousands. Therefore, the value of the digits in the 1000 position will be ones, tens, 100,000 will be 3,000. Will be 3,000. Will be 3,000. Let us see if we have such a, yes, we have. The answer is in option C. This is the required answer. C. Follow my C is our required answer in option C. I think you have to follow by procedure to get the answer. Now, lastly, we are looking to question number 36. For this, we are going to end at question number 36. Question number 36 states that in the diagram below, angle ABD is 30 degrees and CDE is 40 degrees. Angle CED is 55 degrees. So the figure is angle ABD, angle ABD is 30 degrees. Okay, then angle CDE is 40 degrees. Yes, then you say angle CED is 55 degrees. Okay, from the position, what is the size of angle? What is the size of angle BAC? What is the size of angle BAC? Size of angle BAC. Okay. Sum of the triangles DCE. Sum of the triangle. Now here you are going to find the sum of the triangle DEC. Sum of the triangle DEC. Sum of the triangle DEC is given by sum of the triangle DEC is given by 40 degrees plus 55 degrees plus C degrees, and we know that the sum angle in a triangle is given by 180 degrees. Therefore, we say 40 degrees plus 55 degrees. This gives us 95 degrees plus C degrees, which give us 180 degrees. We are looking at what is C decrease. What is the value of C decrease here, because C is unknown. Angle C is unknown. Therefore, say 180 degrees minus 95 degrees is equal to angle C. Is the same as given is equal to angle C. Now 180 degrees minus 95 degrees, this is 85 degrees, which is the same as what is same as angle C. Angle C. So angle C is 85 degrees. Now if angle C is 85 degrees, and also shown it, this is shown that if angle C is 85 degrees, it shows that we are given that BC is a straight line. BC is a straight line, but we know that a straight line is always 180 degrees, but the line is part of triangle. This line is part of triangle DEC. This line is part of angle DEC. Therefore, in which it is part of angle C, which is 85 degrees, which is part of angle C, which is 85 degrees. Therefore, we say 180 degrees minus 85 degrees. This will give us 95 degrees. 95 degrees. Now, for triangle BSC, for triangle BSC, for triangle BSC, we say that it is 30 degrees plus 95 degrees plus 95 degrees plus angle A. Plus angle A is the same as 180 degrees. I think you should see this. 30 degrees plus 95 degrees plus angle A gives us 180 degrees. Gives us 180 degrees. Therefore, 30 degrees plus 95 degrees, this is 125 degrees. 125 degrees plus angle A, which is the same as 180 degrees. Therefore, 180 degrees minus 125 degrees, which gives us 55 degrees. This will give us 55 degrees. This will give us 55 degrees, and this is in option A. This is in option A. I think you should follow my working in a demonstration, because I am in a hurry. If you follow my demonstration, the answer is in option A. You can leave my comments. Remember to leave my comments. Your comments is necessary to me. Your comments is necessary. Please search. You can contact me in Facebook. Search in Facebook Mrisa Kengo in Facebook. Contact me in Facebook Mrisa Kengo, or search in YouTube Mr. Kengo, or contact me in WhatsApp. Contact in WhatsApp using my WhatsApp number 0707526372, begin +254 if you are outside our borders. If you need any assistant, free homework assistant, please contact me in Facebook by searching this name, or contact me in WhatsApp, email, Messenger, Hangouts, and Telegram using this number. I think we are going to stop from here today. Thank you for your time.